You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, Polly here in the room of unfinished walls, and today we're going to do a little product review, pizza related. And what is that? That is, I should say, the proper good pizza soup. Got this at Walmart. Costs like $5. I found out about this from watching a good channel called Cooking with Sherry. Sherry has way more subscribers than I do. Let's just say that. But Sherry, she makes food, and her videos usually last about 4 to 8 minutes long. And at the end, her husband, I'm assuming it's her husband, he reviews the food that she makes. Man, he's getting to be a great food reviewer. But yeah, she did this in one of her videos. I said, hey, I'm going to try that. I'm going to review it on my channel. So here I am. Let's talk about this proper good pizza soup. Pizza soup, for real? I'm intrigued. That's for real. The way you cook it is to cook in the microwave. Cook in the microwave for 90 seconds. Tear up the top of the pouch. Pouch will be hot. And when it gets hot, it's got these little cool touch handles, like love handles for pizza soup. and you hold it there so you don't burn your little fingers. Let's get this one in the microwave. You don't need to see me cook in the microwave. If you do, I'll pray for you. Alright, so please excuse the noise in the background. That is the furnace, the dragon. Yeah, here's the soup. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah. We got some particle in there. It's got a little substance, yeah. I'm happy that it's not just tomato soup, okay? Hopefully I don't melt my lips off. It's really heavy in the spicy flavoring. Getting Italian seasoning, oregano. Has a tomato, of course, note about it. And Cooking with Sherry actually put some cheese in hers. I'm probably not going to do that. 90-second soup. Not too bad. It's got a little bite to it. It's got a little heat to it. I can feel my lips burn a little bit. I do get all the spices of a pizza, but it's really kind of hot. It's kind of got a heat about it. Kind of heavy on the black pepper. I'm getting a lot of black pepper out of this. Not bad. It's fun. I want to thank Cooking with Sherry, and I'll probably never buy this again. But they do have some other flavors out there. They got this hamburger stuff. It looks like the package has a hamburger on the front. They have some other ones too, which I really didn't pay a whole lot of attention to. I seen this, I grabbed it, and I paid almost $5 for it. Yeah, fun. Thank you, Cooking with Sherry, and thank you all for watching the Polly Detmers channel. Till next time.